So we try to solve a very tricky problem, that is we have to prove that minus of minus x is equal to 0. Like that, if you take this sign inside, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. We are not supposed to prove like that here. We are supposed to prove the other way, that is additive inverse way, that is x plus minus x equal to 0. So x is a additive inverse of minus x, and minus x has a additive inverse of, that is x. Okay, so we write here. Are you getting it? This is very tricky statement. Try to understand it, think over it, you will definitely get it. It's not difficult. Only thing is minus x plus x, like that some language is used. So we get minus x plus x is equal to 0. So x is a additive inverse of minus x. Okay, and by the definition of additive inverse, we have a number which is having a negative sign. So negative sign to minus x, we write it like this: we negative sign to minus x is additive inverse, but negative sign, but additive inverse of minus x is x. That means we have proved that minus x minus of minus x is equal to 0. Okay, just read it. If you have any difficulty, write me in the comment box. I shall definitely try to solve this. This is Dr. Bharat Parab for you. Okay. So we see this another method of simplifying the examples. Method is called as rationalizing the denominator. Remember this. Okay. So we take the example 1 upon 2 plus root 5. So we use the identity a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. Remember this identity, get it by heart, and we multiply the numerator and denominator by the same quantity which doesn't change the value, 2 minus root 5 and 2 minus root 5. So we get 2 minus root 5 in the numerator and 2 square minus root 5 square in the denominator. So that solves again. 2 minus root 5 is 4 minus 5 and you get minus 1. Take the sign inside and you get minus 2 plus root 5, that is root 5 minus 2. This we have simplified the problem by rationalizing the denominator. This method, remember this method, try to solve the problems. Though it is very simple, you need to solve as many problems as you can. Okay. So here we try to solve some problems. I have covered two identities. See here that you are supposed to solve infinite number of problems to get yourself practice. Now this is a problem 2 raised to 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to 1 upon 3 is what? Okay, this is a simple identity that we use this formula. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. While by adding this formula, write and by heart, okay, and use them in the examples, you will remember it properly. You will not forget it till the till you get retired from your job, till more than it is 60. Okay. So see this 2 raised to 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 raised to the add the exponents of the powers. You get that you get 2 raised to, as you see, 3 upon 3, that is 2. Okay, this is one example. It's very simple, but still you need to practice many examples, and very simple because you practice, or it's not simple. Okay, just by looking at the example or the formula, you cannot use it. Okay, here we use another example, another formula, 5 raised to 1 upon 5 raised to 4. Remember this, I have covered all this in the previous section, that is a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to, you multiply this a raised to m into n. Similarly, you have to use this, that is 5 raised to, you have to multiply here. 5 raised to 1.5 into 4 is 5 raised to 4.5. That is how to solve it. So, though they are simple, try to solve the problems. Okay, get practice, and that will make you master of this. Okay, this is Dr. Bharat for you. Okay, if you have any difficulty, write me in the comment box, and I shall definitely try to solve your difficulties. Okay, now solving as many as examples to get uh, maths subject very easy. Okay, write and by heart the formulas. Don't just read and by heart. Okay, these are the techniques given by me.